Have you ever wondered how effective hydroxychloroquine and azithromycin are in treating COVID-19? In the battle against this pandemic, there's been a global debate over the use of these drugs. Lending a fresh perspective to this discourse is a new study from IHU Méditerranée Infection in Marseille, France. This study delves into the data from a large cohort of over 30,000 COVID-19 patients, providing us with some truly intriguing insights. The main takeaway? A significantly lower mortality rate in patients treated with these medications. Now, how did the researchers arrive at this conclusion, you may ask? Let's dive into the methodology of the study. The researchers embarked on a rigorous analysis using a large cohort of 30,423 COVID-19 patients. They didn't stop there, though. They adjusted for a multitude of factors. These included sex, age, the presence of different COVID-19 variants, and even patient management styles. Why all these adjustments, you might wonder? Well, by taking into account these variables, the researchers ensured that their findings were not skewed by any specific demographic or variant. They wanted to ensure that the results truly reflected the impact of the combination of hydroxychloroquine and azithromycin, and not just the effect of a particular patient group or variant. Moreover, the researchers meticulously collected and analyzed data, making sure that their findings were as accurate and reliable as possible. They aimed to provide a comprehensive and unbiased view of the potential benefits of the HCQ-AZ treatment. This comprehensive approach allowed for a nuanced examination of the outcomes associated with HCQ-AZ treatment. The researchers left no stone unturned in their quest to understand the potential power of this drug combination in the fight against COVID-19. So what did the study find? Let's dive into the results. The study revealed a lower mortality rate among patients treated with hydroxychloroquine and azithromycin, compared to those who did not receive these medications. The numbers spoke volumes. Among the analyzed patients, the mortality rate was significantly lower, just under 1% for those treated with the combination therapy, compared to almost 5% for those who did not receive it. This finding held firm even after adjusting for other potential influencing factors, painting a compelling picture of the potential benefits of this treatment. Furthermore, the study found a significant association between this combination therapy and reduced mortality, even after adjusting for several factors. This suggests that the treatment may indeed play a role in reducing COVID-19 mortality, a finding that challenges prevailing assumptions and adds another piece to the complex puzzle of COVID-19 treatment strategies. But the researchers did not turn a blind eye to the study's limitations. They acknowledged the potential biases of their approach, such as the monocentric nature of the study. They understood that their findings might be influenced by the specific characteristics of their patient population and the healthcare settings they were in. Despite these limitations, the study invites comparisons with other significant studies to validate its findings. How does this research stack up against other studies? Let's take a closer look. This study's results are not an isolated occurrence. They echo the findings of several large-scale observational studies, which have also reported a decrease in mortality rates with the use of hydroxychloroquine and azithromycin. This challenges the prevailing consensus derived from randomized controlled trials, which have largely reported no benefit from these drugs. For example, a study conducted by the University of Oxford as part of the Recovery trial found no benefit from hydroxychloroquine. Yet in contrast, the Marseille Study, based on a large cohort of 30,423 COVID-19 patients, found a significantly lower mortality rate in patients treated with these medications. It is essential to consider these contrasting results and understand that different methodologies can lead to different conclusions. The conflicting results underscore the need for continued research and a multifaceted approach to understanding the virus and potential treatments. This study contributes to a growing body of evidence that suggests hydroxychloroquine, when used with azithromycin, may indeed reduce COVID-19 mortality. What does this all mean for the treatment of COVID-19? Unraveling the threads of this extensive study, we find a compelling narrative. The Marseille Study, one of the largest single-center studies of its kind, reveals a consistent association between the use of hydroxychloroquine and azithromycin and reduced mortality in COVID-19 patients. This finding stands in stark contrast to the results of many randomized controlled trials, offering a potential life-saving benefit of this treatment protocol. This study isn't just a collection of numbers and data points. It's a testament to the power of open science and the necessity of continued research and analysis. It challenges us to look beyond the established consensus, to question, to probe, and to explore every avenue in our quest to combat COVID-19. As we continue to grapple with COVID-19, this study reminds us of the importance of continued exploration and an open-minded approach to data. It's a call to arms for all of us, whether we're in the lab, at the bedside, or at home, to keep pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and to never stop learning.